AI video tools can be expensive, and most of them don't justify their cost. I compared 5 platforms to see which one offers the best value, and Nvidia stood out straight away. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get to it. Alright folks, this is NVIDIA's homepage. The link to this will be in the video description. In fact, it's consistently offering the lowest cost per generation among the leading AI video platforms. Now, when you compare it with the competitors, its value becomes very clear because services like FreePic and Artlist usually charge higher fees for an 8-second generation, while offering access to fewer AI models. Well, OpenArt actually offers a slightly cheaper base price, but it lacks that integrated workflow, which often forces creators to use several tools, and ultimately, the cost ends up increasing even more. Now, another competitor is Higgsfield. So it often requires multiple subscriptions to achieve a result comparable to what NVIDIA offers within a single environment. So it's not fragmented, and you don't have to go through lots of different things or subscribe to many different services to get all the tools you'd like to use. Now, in contrast, folks, NVIDIA is combining competitive pricing with an added benefit, and the free image generation for an entire year further strengthens its cost advantage. Beyond the price, NVIDIA's introducing a comprehensive website designed to simplify the entire creative process. Now, the platform integrates video generation, image creation, as well as collaboration tools, all within a single seamless workspace. And that's very, very efficient, especially for those who, oversee a team of creators. That really makes it very efficient. Now, with NVIDIA, there are no hidden fees on any model, and the prompt-based video workflow is truly included within the platform. So, in fact, I'm going to show you this here. Let me click on Agents and Models. Then, if I click on Kling 3.0 and simply do this, so bear with me, guys. Let me go ahead and type this. A cinematic tracking shot flying through glowing bioluminescence, a deep forest at dusk where the camera glides very smoothly between ancient, enormous trees that have an iridescent bark in a truly stunning shade of blue right here in the foreground. All right, so for all of you who are completely new to the world of artificial intelligence, guys, this is exactly what you need to do. Delicate and almost translucent ferns sway gently in a very light breeze, gradually releasing bright, magical spores into the surrounding air. The dense, volumetric mist captures the warm golden light from a pair of twin suns, slowly setting in the distance. And the shot is masterfully captured on 70mm cinematic film. This is a hyper-realistic photograph, incredibly detailed and with astonishing texture. All right, so now we're going to proceed to generate this image step by step. Again, folks, this is where you might want to check. This is for Nano Banana, all right? Nano Banana, 2 charges, 0.08 credits per image. And if you wanted to generate a video, you could do that. Click on this one. And if, for example, I click on Kling 3.0 and click on that one, it will show you how many credits it will cost you to generate the video. All right, this is what I got from the prompt I actually entered. It's really, really good. Go ahead and try this one, folks. Now, using the platform, guys, is very straightforward. Users can actually generate video clips, create thumbnails, and manage visual assets with a single project without incurring additional charges. So, unlike the new projects out there that have extra costs, InVideo allows creators to keep all their assets, edits, and versions organized in one place. Make sure to check this one out as well, guys. Right, generate a video within InVideo and work out the cost per generation. Then try it with the competition, guys. Give it a go with any competitor out there, all right? You'll immediately see the value and the difference. And guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you'll consider giving it a like, subscribing, and clicking the bell icon. That way, you'll always be notified when new videos like this are uploaded in the future. See you in the next one. Signing off.